Today, we're diving into some awesome gifts for oil painters. Whether you're shopping for a friend, family member, or just giving yourself some self-love, you'll find something on this list that you're gonna love. I got 10 recommendations for you, starting with high-quality oil paint. Yeah, it sounds like the most obvious option, but if you don't know the right brands, you could mess it up. I suggest the Winsor & Newton and Gamblin brand. These have rich pigments with a very smooth texture, perfect for getting vibrant colors onto your canvas that last a very long time. If you want something a little bit more unique, I would suggest iridescent paint. This oil paint is made from Williamsburg. These oils are handmade and only made in 5-gallon batches, meaning they're basically made to perfection. I mean, look at these colors. Next on the list are canvases, whether they're stretched canvases or panels. My suggestion is to just pick a variety of sizes. That way you give your painter the flexibility to choose what they like. Does your painter have enough canvases? Well, how about a glow-in-the-dark canvas, right? So cool. Probably a canvas that your painter doesn't even know about. There are also these mini magnetic canvases that you could stick onto your fridge. They come in a variety of sizes and I think are just a super cute gift. All right, next up are brushes. Any painter can never have enough brushes. I know I'm buying brushes almost every other week. Pretty ridiculous. Every oil painter needs 1-inch and 2-inch brushes. I highly suggest the ones from Bob Ross. I've had these for years and they are still going on strong. All my other brushes never last that long. Painters need detail brushes. I like to have them in a variety of different sizes. That way, whether I'm doing something as tiny as a butterfly or highlighting a spot on my tree, I know that I have the right size detail brush. And there's a variety. There's a whole bunch of different sets.
With the detail brushes, I don't mind buying cheaper ones. They work really well for me.
All right, so fourth on the list are easels. Every painter needs a good easel. You gotta have a variety too. I have one here where you could just put it on top of your desk. I have one right behind me that stands onto the floor. And then I also have another one that fits in a bag and that I can travel with. And I like to take that to pop-ups when I do live paintings, and it's super easy to haul around because it folds. If you know someone that could benefit off that, then definitely get that for them. Next up are adjustable lamps. There's some that attach directly onto the easel that give you great lighting. Or if your painter likes to film their stuff, then there's even these ring lights.
Making it easier than ever to record your paintings. I definitely recommend these things.
All right, number 6 are pallets. Every painter uses a palette to put their oil paint on, and why not get them a fancy one they deserve? There's the ones that you could customize with names made out of wood or engraved. I really like these resin with dried flowers inside, but literally you can go on the rabbit hole of custom palettes and find one that you know your loved one will love. It's a lot of love. Every painter can use an apron. I know I have ruined about 50% of my clothes not having one of these bad boys. The key is lots of pockets. You need lots of pockets. They also have customizable ones.
With the custom ones, you could add your name, you can even add a picture. The possibilities are really endless.
Next up, a adjustable rolling chair. Ooh. If you know your painter spends a long time painting, you would definitely want to get them a chair that they could adjust the height, that has a good back support, and also that rolls, that just caused that disaster. It's fun to roll sometimes. Here's the one that I got. It was a great deal, and it definitely does the job for me. Next on the list are subscription boxes. I'm sure you heard of these, but you might not have heard of the artist subscription box. Palette Packs makes a really cool one. They have different varieties. I ended up getting one for one holiday and I absolutely loved it. So I know that if you look through it enough and you kind of see one that you think would catch your painter's eye, that might be a good fit. Or you could also just make your own goodie box out of all the suggestions that I've said in this video. The world is literally yours. Okay, we are getting to the end, so here's number 9. I really like these cute little ornaments that you customize with the painter's name. It has these tiny little tubes of paint. It just looks so realistic, looks so cute on the tree. It's just a pleasant surprise to see. And it's kind of random, but I think it's super cute for the Christmas season. Number 10, and this one is one of my favorites because it's more interactive gift. It gets you more time with your loved one, which is, I think, the real meaning of Christmas. So the last gift suggestion are art museum tickets. Google some art museums in your area, grab some tickets, throw those bad boys, throw them in an envelope, and I guarantee you the artist will have a huge smile when they see it. Wishing you all a great holiday, and thank you for watching.